How to connect MetaQuest 3 to PS5. I'm going to tell you how to connect a MetaQuest 3 to a PlayStation 5, though technically, it's more of a workaround. The MetaQuest 3 doesn't natively support direct connection to PlayStation 5, since Sony restricts VR support to its own PlayStation VR 2. But if you're trying to play PS5 games in a cinematic VR mode, your option is to stream the PS5 to a PC using a capture card or PS5 remote play. Then launch the feed inside the Quest 3 using a virtual desktop app like Virtual Desktop or Air Link with a PC based VR environment. It's not perfect, there's latency, and it won't give you full VR gameplay. But it's a functional way to experience PS5 content on a giant virtual screen inside your headset. For now, full native VR gaming from PS5 on a Quest 3 just isn't possible.